Imagine stones heavier than elephants, dragged 250 kilometers 5,000 years ago, without wheels, cranes, or trucks. How? Nobody knows. This is Stonehenge, but it's not just a temple or calendar. It's something far stranger. Something scientists are still scratching their heads over. Stonehenge has two kinds of stones, massive sarcens up to 40 tons and smaller bluestones. But the bluestones, they came from 250 kilometers away, over hills, rivers, forests. No machinery, no wheels. Some scientists think that the ancients might have floated them with sound vibrations. Yes, sound. Could they really harness magic like physics 5,000 years ago? Or is there something else we don't understand? Here's a twist that almost nobody mentions. Some of these stones weren't even local to Britain. Why import them so far? Stonehenge isn't random. Every stone seems to line up with the sky. Sunrise, solstice, lunar cycles, eclipses, even distant stars. Archaeologists like Mike Porter Pearson say it's a prehistoric cosmic calendar. But how could humans 5,000 years ago know so much about the heavens without telescopes or written records? It's like they were predicting eclipses decades in advance just by arranging rocks. The stones themselves hum, strike a bluestone, and it vibrates as a musical pitch. Imagine this, a prehistoric concert hall, designed with perfect acoustics, long before music was written down. Some even think it was used for healing rituals. And here's the kicker. Buried beneath the stones are cremated human remains, some older than the stones themselves. Why would anyone bury their dead under rocks that weren't even placed yet? What secret were they protecting? Legends say Merlin built Stonehenge carrying stones magically from Ireland. Scientists laugh, but there's a real shock. Ancient civilizations across Europe built similar stone circles. Stonehenge wasn't an isolated experiment. Maybe it was a part of a lost network of knowledge. Did these people share secrets we've forgotten? Or are we just scratching the surface of something far bigger? Some call it a temple, others call it a calendar. And yes, some whisper about alien technology. Whatever it is, Stonehenge proves one thing. Humans 5,000 years ago were smarter and braver than we give them credit for.